recycling and repair, and truly it's revolutionary because it breaks the consumption pattern. Doko started because we wanted to do something about the waste. At this point in time, what is not going to change is e-waste. Globally, it's a growing waste stream. You can't really run away from it. Those piles are going to keep growing. The general idea is reduce, reuse, recycle, and that's something I think most of us are aware of. What it does do is help ultimately divert from a landfill, which is for waste management and sustainability and circularity in general, the ultimate goal. On average, Doko processes about 250 kilograms of e-waste per day. We thought, okay, well, sustainability isn't just about environmental sustainability, it is about livelihood sustainability as well. We have trained, I think, over 500 techs and waste workers. We've had over 70 students be a part of this program. It's very encouraging to see them think about, what can I do? It's fun. It's so much fun. All this isn't just about the good you're doing for the environment or the knowledge you're learning. It creates a community, it creates a dialogue that is beyond Doko. I mean, if that revolution succeeds, then I think it really does change the fabric of society.